I have made something for you guys today. These are crunchy bow tie pasta, and they make a wonderful salad topper, which is what I'm gonna do. And I got this idea from a sweet friend of mine on TikTok. Her name is Sarah Grooms, and you can go check her out. She's super fun, and she showed how to make these, and I knew instantly that I had to make them and try them. So I have today, and so now let's put together a salad. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make my salad with these crunchy bow tie pasta. Oh my gosh. You can eat them just like that.
But first, let me show you how to make the pasta. You know how to cook pasta. Just boil it until it's tender. Drain it. And then I'm dumping it on a sheet tray and letting it dry. Putting it back into my pot. And then I'm going to add some olive oil, salt and pepper. And then a little bit of dried oregano and basil. Give it a stir. And then I'm placing it in my air fryer, and I've lined it with some parchment paper, spreading it out. And I cooked it on air fry at 325 degrees, and I just kept tossing it every 5 minutes or so. I would stir them until they were nice and crispy. And spread them back out on the parchment paper to cool.
All right, so I have some romaine lettuce, and I'm going to add some of the pasta, the crunchy pasta. I don't have anything fancy, guys. I just have a frozen chicken patty, and I'm going to cut it into strips. So I'm going to top it with that. Got some grated Parmesan cheese and a few sliced tomatoes. All right, my star of the show is hidden. I've covered it up. Just look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? And I've got some Italian dressing here. Cannot go wrong with Italian. Who does not love a good salad? I'm so excited. I gotta have a piece of chicken and one of these crunchy pastas. Mmm. Mm, mm, mm. Oh, that is delicious. You guys have got to give these a try. Fabulous. And wasn't that super easy? Yeah, super easy and delicious. Hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next time.